Have you ever wondered how far robots can progress? What will the shape and appearance of robots be in the future? In this video, we answer all these questions. The appearance and capabilities of robots in the future are subject to speculation and technological advancements. However, based on current trends and predictions, here are some possibilities. Number 1. Appearance. Future robots may have a more humanoid appearance, with advanced artificial skin, facial expressions, and body movements. They could resemble humans or animals depending on their intended purpose. Number 2. Artificial intelligence (AI). Robots will likely possess highly advanced AI systems that enable them to understand and respond to human emotions, gestures, and comments. They may have the ability to learn from their interactions with humans and adapt their behavior accordingly. Number 3. Mobility. Future robots might have improved mobility capabilities, including walking on two legs or using wheels for efficient movement in various environments. Some may even possess the ability to fly or swim. Number 4. Sensory perception. Robots could be equipped with advanced sensors that allow them to perceive the world around them in ways similar to humans. This could include vision systems with high-resolution cameras, touch sensors for tactile interactions, and audio sensors for enhanced hearing. Number 5. Task automation. Robots will continue to excel at performing repetitive or dangerous tasks more efficiently than humans. They could be employed in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, construction, and transportation. Number 6. Personal assistants. Future robots might serve as personal assistants capable of performing various household chores like cleaning, cooking, organizing, or even providing companionship for individuals who require assistance. Number 7. Healthcare support. Robots could play a significant role in healthcare by assisting doctors during surgeries or providing care for patients in hospitals or at home. They might also monitor vital signs and administer medication accurately. Number 8. Exploration and space missions. Highly specialized robots could be developed for space exploration missions or deep-sea exploration where human presence is challenging or risky. Number 9. Education and entertainment. Robots may be designed as interactive tutors or companions for children's education or entertainment purposes, providing personalized learning experiences or engaging in recreational activities. Number 10. Social interaction. Future robots could be programmed to engage in meaningful conversations, understand emotions, and provide companionship to individuals who may feel lonely or isolated. It's important to note that these predictions are speculative and based on current trends. The actual appearance and capabilities of future robots will depend on technological advancements, societal needs, ethical considerations, and regulatory frameworks.